watching me for the first time, my name is Dina. I am a designer and a furniture artist. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I'm going to upcycle this set of drawers using this decoupage paper. My piece is clean now and it's ready to be painted. So this is the decoupage paper I'm going to be using, and this is a design I bought digitally and basically printed it on my own decoupage paper. So it's not a design I created. I'll put the link of the name of the designer who made this design, but I did do the print after taking their permission, of course. So I'm looking at if I want to do it vertical versus horizontal, and I like it horizontal a lot better. And what I usually like to start with is basically planning where my piece is going to go and where the color's going to be basically landed. So my client wants a combination of green, purple and yellow, and these are obviously the colors I have on the design here. And what I want to do also, so this flower is not exactly in the middle. I'm going to start with the blending process. Some of my paint is thick because this one I had it open for a while. So you can just add some water. And when you are starting to paint, especially for the first layer, when you have your brush filled with paint, start in the middle, because this really helps you avoid any paint bleed on the side, because if it is in the middle you'll see it and you'll be able to basically fix it before it dries, versus if it's on the side it might be stuck. And usually when I have less paint on my brush, then I will go to the sides.
In this chapter, I'm going to show the process of blending using chalk paint. Feel free to skip to the next chapter. For the blending process using chalk paint, I usually blend while my paint is not fully dry. The paint I'm using right now dries very quickly, so it's like 50 to 60% dry by the time I am adding the next layer on it. Feel free to ask any questions about the process in the comment box.
Applying my adhesive I'm going to be using, and I did flip my piece because it's not that heavy and it's smaller piece, so it's better to get, so this way it gives me more control. And for this one I'm going to apply it while the drawers are still in, because it's very flat surface and I think it will be fine.
In this chapter, I'm going to be showing the process of applying the decoupage paper to the piece of furniture. Feel free to skip to the next chapter if you want.
So I give it time to dry, and this is how it looks now. I'm going to seal it from the top. And I'm going to let it dry, and while it's drying, I'm going to finish the painting on the side and the top.
I removed the extra pieces of my decoupage paper around the drawers. I also use a cutting knife to be able to open the drawers again.
Looks really nice. I'm just going to get the drawers out for a little bit. And you want to clean up any extras you have here before they completely dry, so they don't become like an obstacle for the chair in the future, or for the drawer in the future.
In this chapter, I am showing the process of how to paint and blend the sides of the piece of furniture. Feel free to skip to the next chapter if you want. Feel free to ask any questions about the process in the comment box. Next, and to decorate the sides and the top of my piece with tropical style leaves, I used stencil spray to be able to stick my stencils to the piece, and then I sprayed it with gold color. Here I used a gold marker to enhance the sides of my flowers with a gold line. Then, using a gold paint, I blended the tropical leaves with the rest of the painting. I retouched over my decoupage paper with acrylic paint and a small brush. Please ignore the stripes you are seeing on the top and the bottom of the piece. At some point I wanted to add this, but I felt it did not match, so I removed it. I decorated the sides of the drawer with a base green, and then using a sponge I applied some of the gold color I used on the top. I decorated the sides of my piece with gold leaf, starting with the gold leaf adhesive, and then added my gold leaf on top of it. I decorated the sideboard, shelf, and drawers with animal print decoupage paper. Feel free to ask any questions about the process in the comment box. I sealed my piece with water-based varnish. I installed a new hardware.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notification for my upcoming furniture upcycling videos and tutorials. If you like my video, please hit like and comment. Your support allow me to keep doing those videos and tutorials and offer them for free. Thank you and see you next time.
And your face will smile, so beautiful, so high.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notification for my upcoming furniture upcycling videos and tutorials. If you like my video, please hit like and comment. Your support allow me to keep doing those videos and tutorials and offer them for free. Thank you and see you next time.